In this video we are going to talk about Sea of Stars. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Maldives, which is well known for its pristine beauty and magnificent scenery, now has another reason to be on your bucket list. In the Maldives, there is a beach called Vaadhoo Island that glows at night, producing a scene right out of a science fiction fairy tale. The waves appear to be festooned with Christmas lights, as if millions of stars have collided with them from above, gleaming in the water. If you haven't seen it before, the internet has been stunned by photographs of the strange beach on Vaadhoo Island in the Maldives' Ra Atoll. Due to the brilliant blue waves, this phenomena has been dubbed the Sea of Stars. While it is undoubtedly a fantasy-like experience, before you roll over in quest of that specific beach in Vaadhoo to witness the so-called Sea of Stars, you should educate yourself on the magnificent little organisms responsible for this wonderful dazzling effect. This phenomenon is created by a natural chemical reaction called bioluminescence, which occurs when oxygen disturbs a microbe in water. These bacteria, or marine microbes, are referred to as phytoplankton, and there are numerous kinds that produce bioluminescence that may be observed in many regions of the world. Dinoflagellates are one of the most abundant phytoplankton that contribute to marine bioluminescence. Dinoflagellates float due to the movement of the surrounding water, which generates electrical impulses within a proton-filled compartment. Electrical pulses induce scintillon formation in voltage-sensitive, proton-ion channels, the flashing unit inside dinoflagellates. Proteins flowing into the scintillon cause a sequence of chemical processes that activate a protein called luciferase. When luciferase and luciferin are mixed in scintillions and oxygen is added, neon blue light is produced. Although dinoflagellates emit a blue light, this does not indicate they are friendly. Certain dinoflagellates create poisons that are poisonous to fish, humans, and other animals. The blue light is thought to act as a protection mechanism for these marine species. Predators that consume shining dinoflagellates may attract larger predators, as phytoplankton can continue to shine even while enclosed within another creature. The mechanism through which bioluminescence occurs is more sophisticated. When phytoplankton float, water movement transmits electrical impulses across a proton-filled compartment within them. The electrical pulses open voltage-sensitive proton-ion channels into scintillions, the flashing unit inside them. The pH of the cytoplasm changes, triggering a cascade of chemical processes that activate the luciferase protein. The neon blue light is produced when luciferase is combined with oxygen. Is there anything else just like it on the planet? Dinoflagellates, an extremely rare species of phytoplankton found at Sea of Stars, are not the only organisms capable of producing this stunning bioluminescence. Other marine species, such as krill, deep-sea squids, and anglerfish, can generate light as well. On the Maldives' Vaadhoo and Rangali Islands, you can see something similar. Bioluminescence has also been observed on the coastlines of India's Lakshadweep Islands, Mosquito Bay in VX, Puerto Rico, and the California coast of Leucadia. Vaadhoo Island is located 15 minutes by speedboat from Malay's main international airport. While the Maldives are not inexpensive, a site like this is pretty much priceless. Vaadhoo Island, one of the islands in the Ra Atoll, is home to the shimmering beach. This little island is home to less than 500 people. Regardless of its size or population, the beach island has garnered worldwide acclaim and appreciation for its enchanted Sea of Stars. While the location was previously unknown, it is now a must-see site for travelers visiting the Maldives. Vaadhoo Island is located approximately 8 kilometers from Male, the Maldives' capital city and primary airport, and is well connected to the rest of the Maldives. To reach the enchanted realm, rent a speedboat. If you enjoy the water, the stars, and a dash of magic, Vaadhoo Island can whisk you away to a fairyland in no time. When you plan your next trip to the Maldives, be sure to include a stop to witness this magnificent phenomena. The island is located 140.6 kilometers, 87 miles, 76 nautical miles, north of Male, the country's capital. Although Vaadhoo Island in the Ra Atoll is the most well-known location for observing plankton, it is conditional and can occur on any of the islands. If you are intrigued, it is best to conduct additional study. 7 incredible facts about the Sea of Stars. Chemical alteration. This magnificent and amazing phenomenon occurs as a result of marine microorganisms called phytoplankton. A particular type of these is called dinoflagellates, and it is this type that produces the light. After oxygen is added to the water, the dinoflagellates light a dazzling blue, and these microorganisms float in the water all day, charging up with electrical impulses. Although this glow is utilized as a defense strategy against predators, it does produce an incredible sea of shimmering blue stars. Prey that glows. Vaadhoo Island is home to magnificent corals and a variety of aquatic life. As a result, it has developed into an excellent snorkeling location. Fortunately, phytoplankton is completely harmless to animals. If predators consume the glowing dinoflagellates, they may attract additional large predators. When eaten, phytoplankton continue to glow, causing other creatures to light up. Safety while swimming. Many of you will be relieved to find that humans are entirely safe swimming in this brilliant rare. These stars shine as a result of movement within the water, such as stamping your feet, flinging sand, or the rolling waves. Water mixing. The blue glow is caused by phytoplankton being transported by the waves. It does this by sending electrical impulses around a proton-filled compartment within them, causing the pH to alter when the proton interacts with the water, and initiates a chemical reaction that produces the neon blue light. Date and location. Although difficult to estimate due to the Sea of Stars' sensitivity to climate, plankton, and the expansion of the location. While Vaadhoo Island is the most popular destination, several locations throughout the Maldives have captured the splendor of this event. According to locals, the greatest and most likely time to witness this occurrence is in the late summer. At this time of year, the daytime maximum temperature is between 30 and 32 degrees Celsius. However, it is significantly cooler at night. Dine and Shine. To add to the romanticism of being in one of the most beautiful places on Earth, you can dine al fresco by the Sea of Stars. Sitting beachfront and watching the water shine is an evening you will never forget. Additional locations to view this magnificent sight. Although more common in the Maldives, the Sea of Stars phenomenon has also been seen at Leucadia, California, Mosquito Bay, Puerto Rico, and India's Lakshadweep Islands. It is not, however, as prevalent as it is in the Maldives. As lovely as this natural occurrence is, do not get your expectations up too much. Nature is unpredictable, as it usually is, and even if you schedule your vacation for late summer, there is no guarantee that you will view the Sea of Stars. It's not something that should be expected, but it's a wonderful surprise. Visiting the Maldives is an experience you will never forget, and you should savor every moment you have there. Bear in mind that everything of nature must align, so while you wander at the surrounding tropical blue waters during the day, you may have the opportunity to witness the ocean light up at night, revealing dazzling blue ocean stars staring back at you. What do you think about this video? Which of the following information and facts about Sea of Stars you find most interesting? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.